7 Savory facts about sushi. 1. Origin. Sushi originated in Southeast Asia as a method of preserving fish by fermenting it with rice and salt. It later evolved into the modern form we know today in Japan during the Edo period. 2. Sushi rice. The key to good sushi is the rice. Sushi rice, known as shari, or sumeshi in Japanese, is seasoned with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, giving it a distinct sweet and tangy flavor. 3. Types of sushi. Sushi comes in various forms, including nigiri, slices of fish on top of rice; maki, rolled sushi with seaweed on the outside; sashimi, slices of raw fish served without rice; and temaki, hand-rolled cone-shaped sushi. 4. Wasabi and pickled ginger. Traditional sushi is often served with wasabi, Japanese horseradish, and pickled ginger, gari. Wasabi adds a spicy kick, while pickled ginger is eaten between different types of sushi to cleanse the palate. 5. Sushi-grade fish. Sushi-grade fish is of the highest quality and carefully handled to ensure it is safe to eat raw. The fish is usually flash frozen to kill parasites and maintain its freshness. 6. Sushi etiquette. In Japan, there are certain etiquette rules to follow when eating sushi. It is customary to eat sushi with your hands, not dip the rice side of the sushi into soy sauce, and not rub your chopsticks together, as it can be seen as disrespectful. 7. Sushi chef. A skilled sushi chef, known as itame in Japanese, undergoes rigorous training for years to master the art of sushi making. They carefully select the ingredients and expertly prepare the sushi to achieve the perfect balance of flavors and textures. Sushi has become a beloved culinary delight worldwide, and these facts offer a glimpse into the rich history and traditions behind this savory dish.